Alright guys, we should be back here, guys. We should be back. Let's see. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna get going here again. We're gonna get going here again. I'm not sure what happened before, guys, but we're gonna run it back here. Guys, I'm just posting these links, guys. Posting these links, and we'll try again here, guys. Alright guys, here we go. Let's get going. Drop any tickers down below, guys. Drop any tickers you want me to cover down below, guys. We'll get going with the market scan today here. We'll get going with the market scan, guys. So there's a lot of names that I like going into next week, guys. I want to see if I can try to get to everybody's questions, comments, tickers. Raytheon, RTX, NQ. So this is just a kind of, it's a pause bar here at the highs. So I would just say wait for the daily to trigger here. So above 124s for longs, guys. NQ futures, guys. So NQ for me is very simple, guys. If you look at NQ here, we had a daily inside bar. I'm really not too interested in looking at shorts, guys. I'm not really too interested at looking at shorts. Hold on, let me throw this on here. There we go. I'm not too interested, guys, looking at shorts. I would like to see longs above 2,500, up towards this 2,640, and then 27 plus. What's going on, Mikey? How we doing? Guys, again, today, guys, we are strictly going to be doing a market scan. We're not going to be doing any live trading, but again, tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m., guys, I will be live trading. Make sure you guys have your Tradeify accounts ready, the 150K accounts. Use that code StockDads for a 40% discount. STLA been beat down, looks like it popped. Wondering what you think. STLA. I don't really like this monthly downtrend, weekly downtrend, daily downtrend. STLA, I would say stay away from unless you want to short it. Futures not tonight, guys. Let me know, guys, any tickers, guys. Drop any tickers down below in the chat, guys. Any tickers down below in the chat. Let me know, guys, what you guys want me to cover. Light flipped upside down. Appreciate the follow. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Drop any tickers, guys. So, you know, we do have a lot that I like going into next week, right? NVIDIA. Someone mentioned NVIDIA. So NVIDIA is pretty simple. I have a level at 135.8, right? Above the 135.8s, we can continue long up towards that 139 previous all-time high. NVIDIA is a pretty simple one in my opinion. NVIDIA is a pretty simple one in my opinion. So we'll see what happens here. Yes, I would say very simple for NVIDIA, above the 135.8s, long up towards 139, and then all-time high. You know, it's nothing, no rocket science in there. Tesla, I'll cover Tesla next, guys. Oops. So, guys, I post all my charts within the Discord, so if you're not already in, click the link in my bio, guys. But so I'm saying NVIDIA, it's a very simple setup here. Over last week high slash 135, we continue to long 139 and new all-time high targets. Very simple. PLTR, wealth rising. What's that mean? Wealth rising. I don't think that's a ticker. PLTR. Yeah, PLTR, it's a bit extended for my liking, but I would probably at this point wait for the all-time high break. Wait for the all-time high break. We took a similar trade in CART, but CART already kind of had that consolidation, and we broke that previous all-time high, and we took entry there. How many people we got in the Discord? A couple thousand, I believe. Drop any tickers, though, guys, down below in the chat, guys. Tesla, I have a question. Rip the question. Let me hear it. Thoughts on Zoom Not a huge fan on Zoom, guys. Looking at the daily, daily's in an uptrend, weekly's uptrend, but this monthly still hasn't flipped yet. We're just doing a lot of consolidation. Really, a big move will happen above 75, but until that 75 breaks, I'm not really interested, guys. CMG. So this is kind of what I thought would play out, and it seems to be playing out so far. Weekly just flipped to an uptrend. Daily looks fine. So I would say above last week high can long, above like 59.5s. Long above 59.5s looks solid. What's up, Snipe? BA could be interesting. And guys, again, tonight, guys, we're not going to be trading futures. We're just doing strictly a market scan here. Again, tomorrow morning we'll be on live on all the platforms here at 9:30. Right there, Tradify.co, 40%. How do we open? Where's the week take us? We'll see. What's going on, guys? And from YouTube, what's going on? Can you teach me about liquidity? Because I tried to learn about it, still don't know. Sure, join the Discord. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions, guys. BA, not a huge fan of this. We have earnings next week, so I would probably stay away. This thing just continues to go down, but at any point can just kind of halt that, right? Oxy, I'm not personally a fan of this. The weekly's still in a downtrend, monthly's in a downtrend. We need to clear this area. Until the higher time frames clear the 57s, not interested, guys. Visco, Victoria's Secret. The monthly above last month high could work above 27s. Besides that, probably be hands off. FI. Looks solid. Looks like it's earnings next week, so I'd probably stay away. I mean, it's pushing all-time highs, super strong, right? So, does my trading app work in Canada? Yes. So again, guys, it's Tradify.co. Gets you a 40% off discount if you use code StockDads, guys. Code StockDads gets you 40% off any type of plan. I use the straight to funded, guys, so there's no evaluation process. It goes right to the funded account. No need to take any eval, and get going right away with me tomorrow, guys. For those on TikTok, guys, double tap the screen, guys. Like the stream. The more likes I get, the more people that join, guys. Really appreciate it. If we can, I'm not gonna say exactly what, but I do have a giveaway in mind if we can get these numbers up on TikTok. So let's see, guys, if we can pull through here. It's on the screen, guys. It's on the screen. So if you guys want to know, it's right here. Tradify.co. Use code StockDads. Get you a 40% off. So there's no evaluation process. You skip that evaluation process, completely open up a funded account right away, and you can start trading with me right away. Tomorrow morning, I'll be live on voice chat, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time. Start ripping trades right away, guys. That's for futures. Yes, it is, market analyst. You did the Tradify. It was smooth. Yep. Yep, so I think it's Jorge there. I can't really quite read his handle. Seems that, he said he likes Tradify. I have no complaints so far. I mean, all good so far. Friday, we had a really good day. We were up $800, guys, so you use Top Step. I personally never had success with Top Step. Maybe it was just a me thing, but I just personally never did. Not really sure why. All right, guys, let's get into some more tickers here. AMD, I already covered that. TTD, I think we're at new all-time highs. Yeah, this thing's sheesh. RCL, rip new all-time highs. I'm just looking for names that potentially have consolidation. So drop any tickers, guys, that you want me to cover in the chat, guys. MSTR was the big winner. My target for this would be roughly 240. The analysis there was pretty spot on. And I've been talking about this a lot. So as long as we're above last week high, I'll say we long this at 236, 240 area, guys. MSTR, huge breakout from last week. Successful. Missed, unfortunately. So I'll say above last week high, continue to long, right? Above last week high, continue to long. Targets 235 and 250. MU, SoFi, and AI. I'll go in order, guys. AI daily looks solid. Weeklies, monthly. Yeah, I'd say wait on this one. It's not a great looking chart. The daily looks solid, but I don't love the weekly and monthly, guys. What else we got? SoFi and NIU. So this monthly's trying to flip here. Has earnings end of the month. Pretty nice run. So I would say set an alert above like 925s. Above 925s can long up to like 10 bucks. NIU. I don't really mess with pennies, guys, so I'm not going to go over this one. I have a 1 to 4 R over the past 4 months. Yeah, it's sustainable for sure. Again, guys, if you guys want to follow along with me tomorrow morning, I will be trading live, guys. Futures live tomorrow morning, 9:30 Eastern. So if you want to go follow me, go to tradeify.co, and then from there, guys, I have the 150K funded account. No evaluation process needed, guys. Skip the evaluation process. Start trading live with me. Start making real profits. On Friday, we had an $800 and change dollar day, so that's pretty sweet. Call us tomorrow on 5. We'll see. NQ already covered NQ. GLW. Again, guys, for those on TikTok, if we can get to 10K likes, guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway, guys. So make sure you guys are double tapping the screen, liking the stream, guys. I'll be doing an account giveaway there. What chart are we looking at tomorrow morning? All of them. GLW Corning Incorporated. So it seems like the monthly is right at the all-time high area here. Right? Oh, no, it's not. I lied. 2000 bubble. So this thing's really just been going sideways for a long time. So never heard of this stock. Probably will stay away personally, guys. But the chart doesn't look terrible above this $47, $48 area. Again, guys, if we get to 10K likes on TikTok, we'll be doing a giveaway, guys. We'll do an account giveaway, Tradeify account giveaway. Those accounts value between $300 to $400. We'll be giving an account away for free, guys. All we need is 10K likes. And again, the more likes, the more followers we get in there, the more people that join, the easier it is to get to that target, guys. I don't necessarily agree with that, TikToker. I think you're fine. Let me know, guys, any other tickers, guys. I'm just gonna rip through the list again. Actually, here's one that I wanted to talk about was this Coors. This thing looks really good. So it's breaking over these consolidation. As long as we're above last week high, we're gonna target 14 and 15.8. Spent a lot of time consolidating. What was this, like 3 weeks? Yeah, spent about 3 weeks consolidating, and it finally broke out here. So Coors spent 3 weeks consolidating. Finally broke the highs. As long as we are trading above last week high, we can long. Targets are 14.2 and 15.8, guys. This is a really good alternative to MSTR, guys. If you guys can't afford trading MSTR options, this is a really good one here, guys. If I got in your group and just trading with you live, I'd make money. Yeah, so guys, I'm only trading futures live, but my forte really is options, guys. So if you look at the middle screen here, guys, if you look at the middle screen, this was my Q3 recap, guys. So this was from July, August, September. I had a total of 80 signal trades, guys. And again, for me, guys, there's no knock on people who do this, but personally, guys, I don't take 5%, 10% trims. For me, that's not a quote winning trade. That's just the market moving, right? So my trims usually are very least 25, 30, if not higher. Those in the Discord already kind of know what I'm talking about here, guys. Appreciate the likes on TikTok, guys. We're pushing up there for the target. But again, 80 total trades, guys. 74 resulting in a win or a loss, so 6 of them were break even. 56 wins, 18 losses, so that's a 75.5% win rate. Obviously, we had some huge winners in there. A couple 100%ers, or a few multi-100 percenters, I should say. So again, the link is in my bio if you want to join me there, guys. And also, guys, just, you know, that's me. We have an entire team of exclusive analysts here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 who do options. Another 4 or 5 that strictly do futures, guys. So, you know, we have something for everybody, as well as crypto and all that good stuff, guys. BRKB. This is not something that I ever really trade, guys. This is not something I really trade. It doesn't really get a ton of movement. It's really just been consolidating, if we could see here on this weekly. The thing for me is the monthly's still an inside bar, right? The monthly's still an inside bar, so this thing can just continue to chop. I probably won't trade this name, but you know, it can kind of go either way. It's really just been consolidating, guys, right? Thank you guys for the likes, guys. Again, if we can get 10K likes, guys, on TikTok, we will be doing a giveaway, guys, and then you guys can trade live with me tomorrow. Robbie, thank you for the follow. Alex as well. How hard is it to trade using the Wyckoff method? I don't really use that per se, but part of my strategy and kind of incorporates that naturally. So, But guys, drop any tickers you want me to cover down below in the chat, guys. Just reiterating, we're doing a market scan right now. Tomorrow morning, we'll be trading futures live, guys. We'll be trading futures live here on all of the streaming platforms, guys. Again, go to tradeify.co. Use code StockDads, gets you a 40% off code, 40% off promo, guys. The Discord is in the bio, market analysis. Click the link tree. Click the link tree, and it's the first link in there. And then use code NFL. Code NFL gets you a discount. NFL Discord discount. Let me know, guys, any other tickers, guys. Drop them down below in the chat, guys. Drop them down below. We're at 2.5K likes. Let's get it. See if we get to 10K, guys. Again, 10K, guys, and we give away an account. Very simple. And again, guys, drop any more tickers down below in the chat. Someone said X. I don't really trade this stock, U.S. Steel. Weekly's in a downtrend. Monthly's kind of just all chopping around. We had that crazy move last month. So I would say above this like $39 area. I'm just going to rip through my list real quick. Upstart. Ooh, Upstart actually had a crazy move. What also had a crazy move was Affirm. We had some Affirm. Earnings are soon. So for Affirm, we can continue to look for longs. I gotta get rid of some of these levels. I have too many levels going on here. Bunch of old levels here. So for Affirm, we need above last week high 47.8s. Up to that 49.5s, and then up towards like 52 plus. So I don't mind that at all. That was a pretty big impulse we had, but still can be valid. MSTR, already covered that. How do I get my screen so big? What do you mean by that, Howie? What do you mean by that? So again, guys, what you're going to see is on the middle screen, that's where I do all my actual analysis within the Discord. So you guys are kind of getting a sneak peek on that. Or you guys are getting a sneak peek. So I'm going to say above 47.8s, very simple. We can long up towards 49.5s and then 52 plus, guys. Affirm, huge move last week. Over 47.8, we can long. From there, targets are 49.5 and 52.5. Over that, we re-eval for 55 plus. PLTR, already covered that. Stocks and lubes, already covered MSTR, but it's right here in the middle, so I'll do it one more time, guys. Again, you guys get access to all my analysis within the Discord. For the sake of these streams, I can't go over the same thing multiple times, just for the sake of time. But I basically said last week I was covering this name. I've really been talking about this name for weeks. And as long as we can trade above last week high, I see 236, then 250, guys. That's what I see. I already covered PLTR as well. PA&W definitely did make the move as well. Already covered Visco. DJT, guys, I'm not really interested in this ticker, to be honest with you. This thing kind of moves however it wants, right? Looking at this daily, it's in a daily uptrend. The weekly's in a downtrend, monthly's in a downtrend. So I don't really want to touch this name personally myself here, guys. What's up, Blue? Siri and MNDY. Daily downtrend, weekly downtrend, monthly downtrend. I'll stay away from that one. MNDY. This one looks actually pretty good. Yeah, I like this one. The weekly looks solid. I don't really know what we would have as far as levels here. But, I mean, it's just continually just chugging on this. It's chugging on that hourly 8 EMA, so not necessarily a huge mover, but let's see. So it should be good to 300. Up towards about 300, 302s. Guys, again, if we get to 10K on TikTok, guys, we'll be doing an account giveaway, guys. We'll be doing an account giveaway. So I'd say 302 and then 313, guys. So keep double tapping the screen, guys, liking the stream, dropping follows, gifts. The more people that are in here, the easier it is to achieve these goals, guys. And I want to give you guys a funded account, guys. Tomorrow morning, like I mentioned, for those that are just tuning in now, I will be streaming live futures tomorrow morning. Make sure you guys use Tradeify.co and the code StockDads on the screen for a 40% off discount, guys. From there, you'll be able to follow me with 150K accounts, and we'll get to work. On Friday, we had a really good day. $800, we're all on live, all called out. So here's MNDY. So I'm going to say above last week high, we can long, right? Retests and back over OP is ideal. From there, targets are 302 and 313. So that one's not bad there, guys. Byron Hart, thank you for the follow. Where's the place to start when day trading? How much you start with? So I just kind of bounced around. The first Discord I was ever in was a rug pull, and then I learned to kind of be cautious from there. How much I started trading with, I honestly don't remember. Opinions on Boeing, I don't really love Boeing. QQQ, I mean, QQQ is very simple, guys. We have a daily inside bar. Daily inside bar above last week highs, we'll see 498.8s and then 502s. Back to the all-time highs. Daily inside, I mean, you can technically play this directionally, but with the daily 8 EMA as support, I don't want to short that. Any thoughts on Roku? Let me check out Roku. The thing about Roku, guys, is we're like right at this monthly 20 EMA, still monthly inside bar. Earnings end of the month, so I'd probably wait myself, guys, personally. Probably wait. Can I look at PLTR? I already covered that one. CXQ. Again, if you guys are not already in the Discord, guys, click the link in my bio. You guys will be able to get access to all my analysis. Right now, you can see on the middle of the screen. The middle of the screen right here is my charting channel, and I'm just going to go through it real quick. So far, MNDY, Affirm, Cores, MSTR, NVIDIA, and I just consistently add to this, guys. And I already covered PLTR as well. Did I cover Tesla? No, but I made an in-depth video about Tesla. So whether you guys are on Instagram or Discord, make sure you guys follow, see that video. Sorry, Instagram or TikTok, make sure you guys see that video, because I don't really want to do a write-up about it because I had that in-depth 1-minute video on it. Do you think SPY will climb on Monday? We'll see. If it's above last week high, I believe so. SQ. So SQ daily inside bar, weekly just flipped, monthly has room to 72. Not my favorite setup personally because the monthly is right there. FTAI seems this thing is at all-time high. Just buy the daily 8 EMA pullback. Nothing really else you can do, guys. We're at 7.8K likes, guys. Let's even get to 10K likes. Let's even get to 10K likes on TikTok, guys. SMCI. The daily flipped, weekly still in a downtrend, monthly is trying to pop. So once this weekly gets a close above the 8, I would even say you can long it above 50. Above 50 can long it up towards like 56, guys. How did you get into trading? I just, bounced around places, found some mentors, took some mentorships. That's how I did it. Holding SPY calls for Monday. I solely trade SPY. Sweet. That's how I did it. Again, guys, I will be trading live for free here on all the socials that you guys are watching right now. So again, if you want to trade live with me, make sure you guys go to Tradeify.co to get yourselves a funded account. No evaluation process needed. You can pay for the one-time fee, skip the evaluation process, start making real money right away. Using code StockDads gets you 40% off, guys. Gets you 40% off any of the plans. I have the 150K account, guys. You have $7,500 worth of drawdown per account. Make money trading. Thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. How do you get into full-time trading? So personally, what I did is I was always interested in the market, and I played collegiate baseball. After my baseball career was ended because of COVID, I had a lot more time. And because I had a lot more time, I had a lot of more time to also not only study, but educate myself, invest in my education, pay for education, mentorships, one-on-one lessons. That's how I did it. New follower here. Appreciate that, Make Money. Appreciate that. Again, guys, if you guys want to trade live with me, make sure you're using this site, Tradeify.co, 40% discount code StockDads. One of the reasons why I really like it, I still have not gotten a payout yet because I need to wait for the next window, but it's an automated payout system. So as long as you guys follow the consistency rule and the minimum days trading and all that, there's no subjectivity, right? I traded on Apex. I'm sure most of you guys who trade on firms know Apex Trader Funding. I withdrew about 70,000 from them, and I totally kind of abandoned them. I didn't like the direction they were going. I don't care what they were paying me, affiliate-wise as well. You know, the subjectivity was just too much for me personally, and I couldn't back that. So being that now there's an automated system, you know, people are saying that they're getting, I actually show you guys real quick, I have the Discord up. People are saying that they get their payout within minutes at times, right? So here you go, someone says that they got their payout within 15 minutes. That was $3,000. Amazing speed. Someone got 1,500 here. Someone said they got their payout in 10 minutes, $6,000. Got their payout within 1 hour, $6,000. Thank you, Tradeify So Fast, $3,000, $6,000. Got it in less than 10 minutes, $3,000. So that's the reason why I like it, guys. That's the reason why I like it, right? It's an automated system, so you don't have to worry about, oh, is my payout going to be approved or not? Hey, if you follow the rules, that's simple. Thoughts on AI trading tools? I don't use any personally. Is there a daily goal or amount? No, there's no goal. Just a 20% consistency is all. There we go, guys. We're almost at 10K, guys. We're almost at 10K on TikTok. So again, keep double tapping the screen, guys. Share the stream. Drop some follows. Really appreciate everybody. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Harry, they do not have a trailing drawdown. They have an end of day drawdown. They have an end of day drawdown similar to my funded futures, similar to Top Step, if you're familiar with that. So there is no trailing. It is strictly end of day. So meaning what that means for those that don't know, right? So if the day starts and you have $7,500 of drawdown and you make $500, now your drawdown becomes $800. On other firms, it would be an unrealized thing. So can you elaborate on the 20%? Yeah, it's very simple. They just don't want someone to get lucky, right, and hit a home run and then not have to trade anymore. So they want your biggest day to be 20%. Other firms, it's 30%, 25%, 35%, as far as I know, depending on different firms, different accounts. So if you make $10,000, your biggest, if you make $10,000 over the course of 2 months, your biggest day can only be $2,000. So that's it. But again, they do not have a trailing drawdown. They do not have a trailing drawdown. So again, guys, tomorrow morning, I will be live on all the socials you guys are watching, 9:30 a.m. Tradeify.co, 40% discount using the code StockDads, guys. Everything's for free. Friday, we had an $800 day. So we're about $1,000 up from the start. We're about $1,000 up from the start so far. So again, don't wait too long, because once we kind of get ahead, then we're going to start risking more. We all want to be on the same playing field, right? MSTR to 350s, that would be sick. How's their payouts the same as Top Step? No, it's different, Harry. So they don't. It's all automated. Top Step, I don't really know, because personally I didn't really have success on Top Step personally. I'm not going to talk poorly about them because I didn't have success. I'm just telling you my personal experiences. But it's all automated, right? So you can request, and like I just showed you guys, people are getting their payouts within 5-10 minutes, which is pretty cool. Second week of Stock Dads, glad I joined. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, White Ash. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, Stock Dads is the place to be. Again, guys, I share all my analysis there, all my options trades and futures trades. Again, you guys will be able to see some of my futures trades on live, but obviously there are times where I'm not on live. So if you want to make sure you guys are catching all of my live streams, all of my trades, all my analysis, make sure you guys join Stock Dads as well, guys. And tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, market open, guys. Make sure you guys have the Tradeify account. I just mentioned right here, Tradeify. You know, that's what I use, guys. I have the 150K account. 150K account. We're up about 1,000 so far, roughly, but from the start. Plan on grabbing a couple of those accounts. Yes, make sure you do that, real Chris M. Davis. And also, guys, you want to be able. I can't give away too much information, but right now you can have up to max 5 accounts. So basically, if we're doing the math here, guys, let me show you the math real quick. Let me show you this math, guys, real quick. So so on Tradeify, you can have up to 5 accounts. If you use the discount, each account for the 150K is roughly like $400 per. So if you have 5 accounts times $400, that's about $2,000 it costs you. Okay. I don't know about you guys, but I'm just telling you what my personal opinions are, especially when it comes to like trading and stuff, right? I at times will take $1,000, $2,000 loss depending on the setup, right? So with that being said, you can get $2,000, the 150K accounts, $7,500 of drawdown. Because you can hook them all together, that equals $37,500 of drawdown for $2,000. So essentially, it doesn't matter how much you guys have. $2,000 gets you $37,500. I have my 5 accounts ready to go. Day 3, sweet. Yeah, it's even less. Yep. You covered TSM. Not yet. What's the prop firm again, guys? It's right here on the screen. Tradeify.co. I'm going over it right here on the screen. So you can have up to 5 different accounts, guys. Each of them costs about $400 roughly, a little less, a little more, I don't know. 5 accounts get it's about $2,000. And so with the 150K accounts, you get $7,500 of drawdown each, which is $37,500 of drawdown for $2,000. And the beauty of that is that it doesn't matter how much money you have, it's just serious leverage. And I can't share too much information, guys, but they are actually going to increase the amount of accounts coming soon. And so you want to make sure you're already maxed out, guys, before that happens. That's all I'm going to share for now. Guys, we're almost at 10K, guys. We're almost at 10K, guys, on TikTok. If we get to 10K, guys, we'll do an account giveaway at the end of the stream, guys. Take Profit Trader, I don't do it. There's no evaluation process, guys, again. So there's no evaluation process. That's the beauty as well. You can skip the evaluation process, get right to trading, guys, which is what I like about it. TSM, guys, it's not quite over the all-time highs. Once it breaks the all-time highs, we can run. Once it breaks the all-time highs, we can run. Not until then, though, in my opinion. Earnings are soon as well. Yeah, again, guys, no evaluation, so straight to funded. Thoughts on DJT? Don't love it. CJ, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. We're almost at 10K, guys. We're almost at 10K. MSTR, already covered that. DK, already covered that one. Again, guys, make sure, guys, that you guys are double tapping the screen, liking the stream, guys. Coach Jay, thank you for the follow. Like Fast Track, yeah. The only thing with Fast Track is I heard they're like 3 weeks behind on payouts, so not a fan of that. That's why I like the automated payout system, guys. Automated payout system means that you don't have to worry about getting the payout. Guys, we got 10K likes, guys. Really appreciate you guys. Let's see if we get to 15K. Let's see if we get to 15K, guys. I will give away one account as per promise at the end of the stream, so make sure you guys stick around to the end of the stream, guys. I will be giving one account away randomly, guys. So I appreciate all you guys for the support. Keep double tapping the screen. 10K was the goal that I wanted to get to. Let's see. My all-time like goal was 17,000 and change. No promises on another account, but if we can start pushing, we get some more followers, get some more likes and gifts, and we can maybe get that going, guys. But drop any more tickers, guys, that you want me to cover down below in the chat, guys. Drop any more tickers. Jav, thank you for the follow. Appreciate that. Let me know, guys. Drop any tickers in the chat that you want me to cover, guys. Let me know. Hood. So we actually took a hood trade last week, guys. We took a trade here. Oil and gas. I already covered Oxy. I already covered Oxy there, Jorge. So we took a trade last week on Hood. Still looks valid, but I'm going to pass on it for now. Nice consolidation there on the daily. Nice impulse. Now looking at this weekly, we have a really big weekly weekly bar. Could definitely be a weekly inside bar, so we want to make sure that we're above last week high. But from there, we don't really have a ton of room to the next target, 27.1. So probably pass. SE. So SE above 101s, this thing's gonna fly. Looking at this monthly chart, guys, the monthly flip, the weekly is looking good, the daily, everything's looking good. So it just needs to break above this like 101. We call it 102, above 102. I'll set an alert above 102. That'll look really good. How many likes were you out on Insta? Honestly, I have no idea. I can't even tell, Joe. I didn't even know you can like the stream on Instagram. On TikTok, though, we're at 10.6K. Upstart looking good. Upstart is looking good. I covered that one last week. And now looking at this monthly, the monthly hasn't flipped quite yet, but this thing does look good. Can definitely continue to squeeze potentially up towards like 49 and 52 sixes. So we'll see what happens next week. Nicole, thank you for the follow. 150K says 229 plus 125 activation fee. I'm not sure what you're talking about, Super Z. So if you're on the straight to funded, there's no activation fee. It's a one-time fee. There's multiple different plans. Make sure you're on the straight to funded. Make sure you're on the straight to funded. Do you think MSTR will keep going up tomorrow or small dip? I'm not sure. I wish I knew. Sorry, Joe. I wish I knew, but all I know is if we're above last week high, we will continue going up. Super Z, make sure you go to the straight to funded tab. Those are only one-time fees, no activation fee, because of course it's only a one-time fee. And make sure you're using that code StockDads for 40% off the sticker price there. Let me know, guys, any other tickers, guys, you want me to cover. Again, at the end of the stream, I will be doing another giveaway. The target is 7,600, guys. So the good thing about these accounts, guys, is basically whatever your drawdown is, that's your target. So if you have 7,500, your target's 7,500. In the past, with 150K accounts, it's been very hard to pass those evaluations because of the rules. But because there's no evaluation for the 150K, it's a no-brainer. It's an absolute no-brainer. Love your videos. Please keep making them. Supporter here. Appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. Tomorrow, guys, again, for those that are tuning in just now for the first time, I'll be streaming live tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, using a Tradeify account. It's a straight to funded firm. You don't have to take an evaluation. Code StockDads gets you 40% off. Soon. I haven't looked at this stock in a long time yet. This is probably why. Just been consolidating like crazy, guys. This consolidation's just not it. It's just not it. Let me know, guys, any other tickers. Drop them down below, guys. Again, tomorrow morning, 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, we'll be giving away an account. And at the end of the stream, guys, we'll be giving away another account. So make sure you guys stay to the end of the stream, guys. Yep, Super Z. It's 40% off whatever the sticker prices are for the three different tiers. Again, there's no activation fee. It's a one-time fee. There's no evaluation process. It's just a one-time thing. So it's beautiful. So again, as I mentioned, guys, I already covered this, but for those that just missed it, I'll go over this one more time. Why it's so nice. So guys, on Tradeify, you can have up to 5 different accounts. They are increasing the amount, so make sure you guys are locking it in soon because you guys want to be locked in before they raise the total accounts. Just know that. But they're about $400 per account, and so with 5 accounts, it costs about $2,000. Again, for me, on an option trade, I'll lose $2,000 or so if I take a bad trade. So for me, it's, I know everyone's different, but I'm just telling you guys my thoughts. The 150K accounts have $7,500 of drawdown. So you can basically hook them all together via the trade copier, which is very easy to do. And then from there, you can have $37,500 of drawdown for only about $2,000. So it's a really good deal, guys. So let me know, guys, if anyone else has any other tickers. Actually, one that I wanted to cover was CRM. Let me see how this thing's looking. This one's looking good. This one's a nice little bull flag here. So this one has a nice little bull flag on the daily here. You guys see where we can target, really. So 297 roughly would be the target here. Oops. Yeah, check it out. So nice bull flag, guys, above last week high, pushing to 297 and then probably like 305. Nice consolidation there at the daily 8 EMA though. CRM daily consolidating at 8 EMA. Over last week high, we can long to 297. Over that, you can see 300 and 310 plus. Oops, 310 plus. I wrote 210 plus. Again, guys, tomorrow morning we'll be streaming live 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, guys. Crowd went crazy last week. I don't know if I could touch it. It might need a little bit of a pullback, right? The weekly hasn't quite yet flipped. It should, though. So I'd say above like this 324. I'll set an alert above the 324s. Let's see. we kind of just knifed through a bunch of these levels, so we kind of have to reset these a bit here. No futures trades today, guys. Futures trades strictly will be for tomorrow, guys, but we'll be giving away an account at the end of today, guys. End of the stream today, we'll be giving away an account, so make sure you guys stick around to the end here, guys. Yeah, so I would say above 325, basically. Long to 338s. Super strong, so above 325, long to 338. Caught 4,500 on crowd, beautiful. Easy trade. Crowd over 325 can continue to long. Nothing in the way. Till 338 to 340. Over that, you can see 350 plus. All right, guys, we have 10.9K likes on TikTok. As soon as we hit 13K, guys, lucky 13, we'll give away the account. So as soon as we get to 13K, we'll do the giveaway, guys. So make sure you double tap on that screen, guys. Just 2K more. 2K more. Unless we'll just do it at the end of the stream. But if we want to get this, if we want to get the giveaway started now, let's get to 13K likes, guys. We're at 11K now. AMD, cover that one in 1 second, guys. So AMD, guys, it's looking like daily inside bar, right? Had that nasty sell-off on Thursday from that news. Weekly just put in, weekly kind of put in a pause bar, but we need to break above this 175s. That 175s is going to be huge. Looking at the monthly chart, right? We did break above last month high, so we do have the clearance. We did have the back test of this breakout area, right? So for me, no longs until above 175, but above 175, this becomes a very strong long, guys, in my opinion. 12K likes, guys. 12K likes. I'm going to order some dinner real quick, and then after that, we'll do the giveaway, guys, and we get to 13K. My fingers. We're almost there, guys. We're almost at the target. Already covered Tesla, the man with the plan. Again, if you guys have not seen my last video on TikTok and Instagram, make sure you guys check that out, guys. Make sure you check that out. Make sure you check that out. Guys, we're doing the giveaway, guys. I'm just ordering dinner real quick. After this order gets placed, I'll be giving away the account, guys. No, no, no. Again, guys, we're giving away a 150K Tradeify straight to funded account, guys. Tomorrow morning, guys, we'll be live 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time trading, guys. We're up almost $1,000 on the account since we started. All trading live, everything trading live, right? Regardless if you're in the Discord or not. So, all right, guys, we're gonna do it here, guys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pick a couple people here from each of the chats. And then I'm going to just randomize them on the random number generator. And we'll go from there, guys. So I'm just going to scroll randomly, guys. Write it all down here. Just looking at crowd. Yep. All right, guys. Let's see. Here we go. Here we go. All right, guys, got my first person. We're giving away, guys, an 150K Tradeify account. These are funded accounts, guys. There's no evaluation process, so you skip the evaluation process. So if you do win, guys, you don't have to worry about taking an eval. You skip that process. It's a funded account, ready to go. They range between $300 and $400 of value. I'm giving one away right now, guys. I'm going to randomize. I'm picking 4 names, and then I'm going to pick the top 2, and then randomize the top 2, and then we're going to have 1 winner, guys. Tomorrow morning, I will be live, so make sure whether you have the free account or not, make sure you get an account for yourselves, guys. Using go to tradeify.co using code StockDads. I'm just picking from the chat, randomly scrolling through, guys. All right, got my 2 from TikTok. Check out Instagram. Scrolling. All right, guys. I just randomly scrolled through the chat, went up and down, picked 2 from each, guys. Here we go. So again, guys, for those that are just tuning in, we're giving away a 150K Tradeify straight to funded account. Here are the winners, or I should say, here are the finalists, guys. How many days get paid? 10 trading days. Does not matter if win or lose. 10 trading days. Again, guys, I hope you all join me tomorrow on the live, regardless if you win the account or not. We will be doing more, we will be doing more giveaways in the future. So make sure you guys are always tapped in. And I have my streaming schedule, guys, posted on my stories and in the Discord. Shark, thank you for the follow. So guys, here are the finalists. Again, there'll be 4 finalists. Then I'll roll it twice to get the top 2. And then from there, roll one more time to get the winner. So here are the usernames, guys. I don't know if this means anything, says anything, but it's CXQ. CXQ is one username. DK is another one. CXQ, DK, those are 2. The next 2, guys, we have Roxanavax, and then we have Real Chris M. Davis, guys. So those are the 4, guys. Those are the 4. I'm going to random generate some numbers here. So again, guys, I'm going to repeat it one more time. We're going to repeat it one more time so you guys know. So number 1 is CXQ, 2 is DK, 3 is Roxanavax, 4 is Real Chris M. Davis, guys. So those are the 4 finalists. And then make sure you guys DM me after the stream is over, because I'm going to give you guys a code. I can't share the code publicly because it's only a one-time use code. And then once it's used, it's done. Right, so here we go, guys. I'm going to generate 1 through 4, random number generator. All right, so again, we're going to roll it twice. The 2 numbers that make it to the finals will then be paired against each other for a 1 out of 2 chance. All right, ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3. First person in the finals, Real Chris M. Davis. Real Chris M. Davis. Next one, 1. CXQ. CXQ. All right, guys, so now we're doing the final roll, guys. And I'm going to show you guys. So number 1, CXQ. Number 2, Real Chris M. Davis. I'm going to just show you guys that we're actually doing this. We'll do this live together, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Again, number 1, CXQ. Number 2, Real Chris Davis. 1 and 2, right? I'm going to generate this. Ready? So 3, 2, 1, 2. So that means Real Chris M. Davis, you are the winner. Congratulations. Make sure you DM me after the stream is over. I will send you the one-time code, and you can use that to apply for a free account. Congratulations. Shark, soft breach, what that means, again, guys, we're talking about the Tradeify accounts. What that means is you have a daily loss limit, so you don't lose the account. But after the daily loss limit hits, you get locked out of the account for the day, which I actually prefer, meaning you can't lose the account in one day. A lot of people blow the account in one day, so. So Real Chris M. Davis, make sure that you DM me on Instagram, TikTok, something. Oh, there you go. Hell yeah. Congrats, Chris. Make sure you DM me either on Instagram, TikTok, or Discord, something. Just make sure you DM me to claim the code. Again, I can't share it here. I can't share it. Someone will snag it and use it for you. Nope, the trailing stops at 7,500. That's it. So intraday, it does get added. So if you make $500, it gets tacked on top of it. So then your drawdown is 8,000, but it resets at the end of the day. It resets at the end of the day. So it's not a trailing drawdown, it's an intraday. End of day, I should say. Congrats again, guys. And again, remember, you want to tune into these streams, especially the futures trading streams. One, to make money and learn, but two, we're going to be doing more giveaways in the future. The next giveaway, guys, will be to somebody who already has an existing Tradeify account. All you have to do is have a Tradeify account and then be on the stream. As long as you have a Tradeify account and are on the stream, you're automatically eligible. I have the list on my one screen over here, and so you don't have to do anything else besides be on stream. So that's why you want to make sure you're on these streams when you can, guys. I will not be giving it to somebody and honoring that if they're not on the stream. So if I were up 12K, you'd breach out before blowing the account? No. If you're up 12K, for example, you can start taking withdrawals because the profit target's 7,500, Shark. Let me know, guys, if anybody else has any other tickers they want me to cover, guys, before I hop off for the night. Am I live streaming on Instagram? Yes, guys, I'll be live streaming on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Yeah, we're on YouTube right now. We only have a couple viewers. We only have like 3 viewers on YouTube, but it is up and running here. But I will say, guys, as far as I know, TikTok is the best. TikTok is the closest to real time. So I think you want to hop on TikTok if possible, guys. I think you want to hop on TikTok if possible, guys. As far as I know, Instagram, I believe, is a 40 to 50 second delay. TikTok has about a 4 to 5 second delay. Let me know, guys, if anybody else has any other tickers, any last-minute questions. You got it, Jacob. Again, tomorrow morning, guys, we'll be trading live on the Tradeify 150K accounts, guys, on the 150K accounts. So, Shark, so I've been paid about $20,000 for my funded futures, about $70 from Apex. But I'm no longer with Apex. I do not vouch for them anymore. I do not like the direction they were headed, hence why I'm not using them anymore. And so, I think Tradeify is the best because it has an automated system, guys. I could show you guys again for those just tuning in now. We had an automated payout system over there. So people, as long as you fit the criteria, people are getting their payouts in 10 minutes. This person said they got 10 minutes payout, $3,000, right? $6,000. Tradeify is so fast, $3,000. Within an hour, $6,000. Again, less than 10 minutes to get my payout. $6,000 again. So guys, it really is a no-brainer, guys. It's a no-brainer. There's no subjectivity involved. You don't have to worry about potentially not getting your payouts. It's it's the best. But let me know, guys, if anyone else has any of the last-minute questions, guys. Let me know if anyone has any last-minute questions for me. Any last-minute questions, guys? Any last-minute questions? If not, guys, I'm going to hop off and get some dinner, guys. Again, guys, it's Tradeify.co. Make sure you guys are using code StockDads. I have the 150K live account, guys. I'm going to hop off for now. I appreciate everybody tuning in.